Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I have something really exciting to share with you. It's the Hippcron CarPlay Android Auto Car Radio Multimedia Video Player. This amazing product is a game changer for your car entertainment system, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you don't miss out on any of our future content. Now, let's talk about why you need the Hippcron CarPlay Android Auto Car Radio Multimedia Video Player in your life. First of all, the installation is a breeze. It's a plug-and-play system, so you don't need to change or disassemble any of your original car equipment. It's compatible with all car models, so whether you have a VW, Nissan, Toyota, Honda, Seat, Kia, Hyundai, Ford, or Mazda, this will work for you. But the best part? It supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, meaning you can sync your phone's interface right to the car's display. It's like having your phone's features at your fingertips without any distraction. And with Bluetooth support for hands-free calls and music, you'll stay connected and entertained on the road. Plus, the FM transmitter function allows you to broadcast the audio through your car's original radio, so you can enjoy all your favorite music and apps seamlessly. And with support for rear-view camera, safety is never compromised. The Hippcron CarPlay Android Auto Car Radio Multimedia Video Player is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their car's entertainment and safety features. So, if you're ready to take your driving experience to the next level, make sure to check out the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing product. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your daily commute and road trips. Get your Hippcron CarPlay Android Auto Car Radio Multimedia Video Player now and thank me later. Trust me, you won't regret it.